Hello to my future employer. My name is Donalyn Pacolio from Philippines. I'm 39-year-old, single, a high school graduate, and I also complete my caregiving course. I've been working in Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Dubai, and lastly in Taiwan. My main duties are taking care of the children, assist them to take a bath, provide her food, playing with them, and I'm making sure that they are safe, helping them to do their homework and teach them a basic English. I also do a house cleaning. And when I was in Taiwan, I taken care of grandma. She's 66 years old. I provide her food, medicine, and also I always check her vital signs. I'm a loving person. I have a very long patience when it comes to children and even to do my job. And I always put love of what I'm doing. Mom, sir, if you hired me as your nanny, I will give my very best for not letting you down. See you soon. God bless.